is a fun one. 2 chords and some noodly bits. Lovely. 2 sections actually as well, so there's a subtle difference between the two, but let's crack on. It's in standard tuning, and the 2 chords in question are G major and A major. So open G to an A, and I'm just playing the A with my first finger. And the rhythm is basically... Okay, so down, down, up, down, up, down, change, up, and then mute the strings by covering them with the rest of your fingers here, right? Okay, and then up, down, up. Then you got this little fill. I'm using my little finger there to just do 4-2, 4-2 on the G and D strings. Okay, but it's quite loose, so don't worry too much about it. In fact, the very first time he plays it, it's just 1 downstroke. But the main riff is pretty much... Okay, and you can pick that as well if you want. I'm going for a pull off just because it's easier. So slowly. Alright, and slowly again. The second part goes like this. Just lovely. That there is a subtle difference because you're going from the G to this shape, right? So you take your 3rd finger off, and I think that's an A7. The G on top. And then leave your little finger where it is. And there's a couple of, as you move your fingers back to the G, you'll hear that. Okay, and then your 3rd finger goes back down for that G. So that is down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then you leave that hang over just for a semiquaver, right, or 16th note. Change position and take your 3rd finger off there. I'm not fretting that now, right? And then 1st finger off. And then to speed. And that is the whole shebang. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon. Bye.